I'm sure everybody knows the Xiaomi brand by now, and I'm sure you're also aware that Xiaomi makes a famous watch band that is called the Xiaomi Mi Band, and they've been a hit ever since they were launched in 2014.
But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow.
The Mi Band series have come a long way since its first release, and the technology and design have also changed significantly, so will they be any good? Welcome to a review of the Xiaomi Mi Band 6. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with a review of the Xiaomi Mi Band 6. So today's review unit was graciously sent over to me by Banggood, and they are a large e-commerce site in China, and they basically sell many products from daily essentials to technology products. The Mi Band 6 retails for about US 57, which is around 189 in Malaysia, and it's got so many features that are usually only found in flagship smartwatches like the Apple Watch, and many budget fitness bands don't even come close. So if you're interested in getting this smartwatch, do check out some of the links in the description below. I think the design of the Mi Band has stayed true all these years, and Xiaomi have not transformed its Mi Band into a watch, but still retains its fitness tracker design. The band itself is made of a silicone material, soft and smooth to the touch, and does provide quite a bit of flex so that it's comfortable on your wrists. So the band is the same type of design where the center tracker can be removed, so you can swap the bands with something that you like. And the biggest change of the Mi Band 6 this time is that Xiaomi have removed the button from the device itself, so now you get the entire display's real estate without obstruction, and that's the main attraction of the watch because that display is super beautiful. So this display here is a 1.56-inch AMOLED display and has a resolution of 152 by 486 pixels, and putting that into perspective, that's about 326 pixels per inch, which is really high resolution. Contrasting that with the old Mi Band 5 only comes with a 126 by 29 pixel display, so you can see how much a leap forward this new smart band screen is. The screen also goes up to a brightness of 450 nits, which is plenty bright for most situations, and under direct sunlight you can see here that you can still make out the screen, but it's not the brightest or the clearest. And behind the display you get an array of sensors, which includes the heart rate monitor, and below that they also get a magnetic charging pin for you to charge up your watch. So the Mi Band 6 comes with pretty decent battery life for a fully decked out fitness tracker, and Xiaomi rates it to have a 5 days of battery life with heavy use and 14 days of battery life with standard use. Xiaomi also publishes what they meant by heavy use, and it's essentially you having all your sensors and trackers on, having multiple notifications enabled, using it for sports, alarm, that sort of thing. So charging the Mi Band up takes about 2 hours. So specs of the Mi Band 6 is really good and comes with a Bluetooth 5.0 connection to your device, and the watch is also rated to be 5 ATM water resistant, so it's good for swimming and up to 50 meters deep. There's no GPS with this fitness band, so if you want any form of tracking, you got to use your phone. The Mi Band 6 also comes with 6-axis sensor, which includes low power consumption, 3-axis accelerometer, and 3-axis gyroscope. Other sensors in the fitness band includes PPG heart rate sensor, and most notably SpO2 or blood oxygen monitoring. Especially during this COVID season, it's absolutely important for us to track our blood oxygen, so the Mi Band 6 is a really good option for that. So for a modern fitness band, I think the Mi Band 6 really gets quite a lot of feature that only flagship smartwatches get. So the interface of the fitness band is really straightforward. The homepage itself is customizable, so you can go into the Mi Fit app and download new watch faces from the store. I personally like the stock watch face as it gives me a lot of information that I need, and if you press and hold onto the screen, you can actually enter the menu to further customize your watch faces, and this is mostly a feature non-existent in smartwatches around this price range. So you can actually go into the settings here and you can see every single thing here is customizable, and if you press on step, it will toggle between a few different options for you to choose from. So that's pretty cool. So from the home page itself, if you swipe left or right, you get 4 pages in total. So the first one, you get weather. So there's a lot of information about weather here. And next you get a remote control. So this one will connect to your phone, and if any media is playing, it will display it here. And lastly, you get a Alipay. So if you connect your phone with Alipay, you will be able to make payments here. So a payment code will appear so you can make payments. So swiping from the bottom of the top will cycle through the menu, and you get status. So status is basically all the information about your health, what have you been doing today. So next you will see Xiaomi's PAI score, which calculates a score based on your activity and health status. So I'm not very active, so my PAI score is 0. Below that you also get a heart rate monitor. So this will essentially calculate your heart rate currently and tells you information about how you've been doing. And to start it, all you gotta do is press this button at the bottom and it will start measuring your heart rate. Below that, you will get SpO2, which is a pretty nice feature to have, especially in a budget smart band, because only the Apple Watch 6 actually have blood oxygen monitoring. So similarly here, this one will tell you about information about your blood oxygen. You can also press this one to start calculating your blood oxygen. So it'll tell you what to do and start measuring that. Below that, you get notifications. So once you click into it, you'll see all the notifications that you have. And then next to that, you have workouts. So if you click into that, you get about 30 different exercises and more here that you can choose from. So there's plenty of exercises here that you can choose to start tracking. And the watch itself automatically starts detecting 6 different types of workouts, and that includes outdoor running, treadmill, rowing machine, elliptical, walking, and cycling. So those will be automatically triggered once the watch detects that you're doing that. And it'll tell you about your workout history, your stress indicator. So this is also something you can start and it will start tracking. There's also a breathing, similar to what you get with the Apple Watch. So if you start it, you will see this thing pulsing, and it tells you when to start breathing in and exhaling. So that's pretty cool. Below that, you get events and reminders, alarms, weather, Alipay, music, world clock, settings, and many more. And if you go into more, there's a couple of things that you can do here. So camera is essentially a control for you to take pictures remotely with your watch. I've tested it, works well with iOS and Android. You also get stopwatch, timer, Pomodoro timer for you to do your focusing, and also find device. So as you can see, the fitness band is seriously packed with features and it's pretty cool. So Xiaomi uses the Mi Fit app as the main interface for all things Xiaomi, and the app acts as a central area to give you a summary about your health. So everything you get in your fitness band will get summarized here. So at the front page here, it'll tell you about information, some highlights about your information. If you click on view more, so essentially here it tells you your PAI score, your stress level, your sleep, your blood oxygen saturation, and your heart rate information. So if you click into any one of it, it will tell you more. So for example, inside sleep, I didn't wear this for yesterday, but if you look at my sleep here, it actually tracks information like deep sleep, REM sleep, light sleep, and time awake, which is something very cool, because even the Apple Watch, if you use auto sleep feature, it doesn't track REM sleep, only deep sleep. So it's pretty cool to see that inside Xiaomi. And if you do a lot of workouts, you can go to My Workouts and it'll tell you about your activity, how active you are, and what are the calories that you burn. And if you go to Profile at the bottom here, you will see all the connected devices that you have. So here, let's click into the Mi Band 6. And this is the information about your battery. And below that, you also see Store, which you get to choose from a whole lot of lists of home screens or watch faces here. So you can pick something that you like. I like the original one. Here you can also select your notification and reminders, vibration if you want a specific pattern, health monitoring, you get to choose what are the types of monitoring that you want. You also get to choose your band setting, and below that you get some other information like activity, heart rate sharing, pairing restriction, and most importantly, check for updates. So that's basically all of the controls you get inside the Xiaomi Mi Fit app. So overall, I think this is a fantastic watch band by Xiaomi, and seeing how they've improved and innovated over 6 generations of the band is nice and impressive. Considering its price and capabilities, you're really getting the most bang for your buck with this smartwatch. So anyway, that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.